Thank you for clicking this channel, students. Chapter 2, Real Number Algebra, 9th Standard. Practice set 2.3. Before we start, see, this practice set is based on surds. Surd is said to be a number which is stuck between this root. ये root के अंदर कोई number है and which has no solution, जिसका कोई आंसर नहीं आएगा. मीन्स प्रॉपर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर 4 होगा, so 4 has answer 2, but if you have 5, 5 has no answer. Okay, so this is said to be a surd. Now ये जो n यहाँ पे जो ऑर्डर दिया हुआ रहता है, that is said to be order. It has other name also, power and index. But now in this chapter, this practice set we will say ये जो है that is order. और ये जो रूट की साइन है that is said to be radical. And the number which is inside this root is radicand. So first 2.3, state the order of the surd given below. So simply आपको यहाँ पे देखना है क्या है, and you have to write the order of given surd is, now see this is root 3, so you just have to write 3 and done. Now यहाँ पे देखो 5 is a number, natural number. Then you have square root 12. Square root 12 जहाँ जब number नहीं होता, that means it is 2. So यहाँ पे order हुआ the order of given surd is 2. Similarly you have to do rest. Third one, the order of given surd is, here you can see 4, so you will write 4. The order of given surd is there. See, जब number नहीं होता, that means it is 2. The order of given surd is 3, that means cube. Okay, cube root 18. Now next question. State which of the following are surds, justify. See, if you get answer to this question, so that means it is not a surd. Now here this cube root 51 का cube है ही नहीं, there is no answer to this solution, so simply you will say is a surd. Okay, now for second one, by mistake I have written 61, it is 16. So for 16 you have to do in rough column. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. There is a solution. Solution is what? This is 4, right? So 1 2 3 4. So fourth root of 16 answer is 2. So ये वाले surd का answer आ गया. So therefore fourth root 16 is not a surd. Okay, this is not a surd. Now fifth root 81. So यहाँ पे भी solution नहीं है 81 में, so it is a surd. Whenever you do not get any proper answer, it is said to be a surd. Now here 256, you just have to say is square root है, so 256. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are. ये जो है 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 यानी 8 का then this 4 4 the 16. So this is a square of 16. इसका आंसर है, so therefore it is not a surd because इसका आंसर है. Now cube root of 64. So there is also answer 4. So therefore it is not a surd. नाउ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 22 अपॉन 7, 7 का भी कोई स्क्वायर नहीं है, 22 देयर इज़ नो स्क्वायर, सो इट इज़ अ सर्ड. जब भी आंसर नहीं मिलता है, सो इट इज़ अ सर्ड, एंड इफ यू गेट अ आंसर इट इज़ नॉट अ सर्ड. Third question, classify the given pairs of surd into like surd and unlike surd. Now see, कैसे समझेंगे दो नंबर like surd है क्या नहीं. See, for example this is square root 5, so ये 1 हुआ, ठीक है. इसका ऑर्डर और ये जो ऑर्डर एंड रेडिकेंड है वो सेम होना चाहिए. और अभी दिस इज़ 1, ये 2 हो गया, देन 3 हो गया, देन 4 हो गया, देन 5 हो गया. सो दिस ऑल आर लाइक टर्म्स. वाई? बिकॉज सबके ऑर्डर सेम है एंड अंडर का रेडिकेंड भी सेम है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर यहीं पे होता 5 एंड स्क्वायर रूट क्यूब रूट 5, सो ये सेम नहीं होता बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑर्डर चेंज हो गया. ऑल्सो अगर यहाँ पे ये भी 4 है, ये भी 4 है, बट इनसाइड इट इज़ 6. देखो ऑर्डर भी सेम है बट अंदर का रेडिकेंड चेंज हो गया. सो अगेन इट इज़ नॉट अ लाइक टर्म. सो यहाँ पे सिंपली वी हैव टू शो दैट ओनली. सो सोल्यूशन, नाउ स्क्वायर रूट 52. सो 52 को एक बार सॉल्व करो. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 3 ज़ा 6. सो ये दो जोड़ी का एक बाहर निकलेगा. सो योर आंसर विल बी 2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 13. ओके, सो ये फर्स्ट वन हो गया. सेकेंड वन इज व्हाट? 5 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 13. सो देयरफॉर ये क्या हो गया? लाइक टर्म्स. यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 13 है एंड हियर ऑल्सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 13. सो देयरफॉर here you will write 2 root 13 and 5 square root 13 are like surds. Therefore original question लिख लेंगे that 52 and 5 square root 13 are like surds. Okay. Second sums, root 68. So root 68 we will try to solve in rough column. 68 2 ये स्क्वायर का है, सो 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 7 ज़ा 14. अब आगे 17 डिवाइड नहीं होगा. सो सी 2 2 ज़ा, सो एक 2 बाहर निकला, स्क्वायर है ना. सो पेयर ऑफ 2, सो 1 इज आउट एंड here you are left with 17. So here you have 2 square root 17 and the other one is 5 square root 3. So here 2 square root 17 and 5 square root 3. See 17 और 3 they are not like terms, right? दोनों सेम नहीं है, so are not like surds. ये दोनों सेम नहीं है. सो देयरफॉर जो ओरिजिनल होगा 68 एंड 5 रूट 3 आर नॉट अ लाइक सर्ड्स. ओके. थर्ड वन 4 रूट 18. सो जो रूट 18 है स्क्वायर रूट है ना, सो वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व. 2 9 ज़ा 18, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 1 ज़ा 3. सो सी यहाँ पे एक जोड़ी छुपा हुआ है, हाँ, स्क्वायर का. सो 4 रूट 18 इज इक्वल्स टू ये 4 जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा ये 3 से. क्यों? यहाँ पे एक जोड़ी ये 2 बार है ना, और ये भी स्क्वायर रूट है. सो ये एक जोड़ी यहाँ पे है एंड what left inside 2. So 4 2 ज़ा नहीं, सॉरी 4 3 ज़ा 12. सो ये बन गया 12 रूट 2 and here we have 7 root 2. So therefore here 12 root 2 and 7 root 2 are like terms. लाइक सर्च, यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायर का रूट है, ये भी स्क्वायर का रूट, रेडिकन 2 है, रेडिकन 2. सो ओरिजिनल 4th root 18 and 7th root 2 are like surds. Okay. Fourth question. So 19 square root 12. So here to this 12 we will try to solve. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 3 1 are 3. So ये जो root है, this is square root. So there is a pair of this 2. So that means 19 square root 12 is equals to 19 into ये जो 12 है वो 2. This 2 will come out and then root 3 will stuck inside. So it will become 19 to the 38 square root 3. So here you have 3 and here this is also square root 3. So therefore here 38 root 3 and 6 root 3 are like surds. Therefore ओरिजिनल जो है ना 19 square root 12 and 6 square root 3 are like surds. Okay. Now see fifth question. 5 square root 22 and 7 square root 33. See, by observing only we can say that they are not like surd, because here radicand is 22 and here radicand is 33. So simply you will say that 5 root 22 and 7 root 33 are not like surds. Why? Because their radicands are different. Now here sixth one, 5th root 7. So here we have to solve this. 75. So 75 square root है ये. So 5 1 are 5, 2 carry 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15 and 3 1 are 3. So answer is 5 square root 3. So here 5 square root 5 and 5 square root 3 are not like surds. ये दोनों like surds नहीं हैं. So therefore ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे 5 square root 5 and square root 75 are not like surds. Okay. Fourth sub question, simplify the following surds. So simplify means you have to make it smaller. So now 27 in a rough column, take 27 and 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So ये जो रूट है इसका ऑर्डर क्या है 2. There is nothing means 2, यानी pair of 2, 2 की जोड़ी का एक नंबर बाहर आएगा. So square root of 27 is equals to 3 square root. ये दोनों में से 2 में से एक निकला and here it is single, इसकी जोड़ी नहीं बनी तो it will be inside. So therefore this is the answer. यही आंसर हो गया. Okay. Now solution 50. So in rough column take 50 and then solve. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So again square root of 50 is equals to, यहाँ पे इसकी जोड़ी बन गई तो ये बाहर आ गया. सी एक्चुअली ये देखो ऐसे लिखते हैं 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 5. अब ये स्क्वायर रूट का है. सो 2 में से एक बाहर निकला एंड देन 2. सो दिस इज द आंसर. सो देयरफॉर स्क्वायर रूट 50 इज इक्वल्स टू 5 रूट 2. ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन हुआ उसका. Now third one 250. So in a rough column take 250. Then always start with the smallest number. Last number is 0. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. अब 5 आया. So 3 के टेबल में नहीं जाएगा, डायरेक्ट 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So now 250 is equals to square root of 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we have square root, यानी 2 की जोड़ी निकलेगी. So ये बाहर आ जाएगा. And what will stay inside? 2 5s are 10. So therefore square root 250 is equals to 5 square root 10. Okay. Now this one. So 112, 2 5s are 10. So 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. So 112 is equals to square root of 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 into 7. So ये स्क्वायर रूट है. ओके. सो पेयर ऑफ 2, 2 की जोड़ी. सो 1 2, इसमें से एक 2 बाहर आया, इसमें से एक 2 बाहर, एंड देयर इज नो पेयर ऑफ 7. सो इट विल स्टक इन साइड. सो 2 2s are 4, 4 square root 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Now fifth one, 168. So 168, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. So square root of 168 is equals to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3, 3 into 7. So only one pair will come out. एक ही जोड़ी मिली जो बाहर आ सकती है. तो 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42. So therefore 168 is equals to 2 square root of 42. Okay. Compare the following pair of thirds. Sub question 5. So first, that means इन दोनों को we have to compare which one is greater and smaller. So first of all we have to see whether this root their orders are same or not. तो ये भी स्क्वायर रूट है, ये भी स्क्वायर रूट है. सो अभी जो 7 रूट स्क्वायर रूट 2 है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, ये जो 2 तो हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, एंड दिस 7 इट विल गो इनसाइड. 7 यहाँ से अंदर जाएगा. सो जब ये यहाँ से अंदर जा रहा है, सो वी नो दैट इट इज़ अ रूट स्क्वायर रूट. ये 2 का रूट है, तो दैट मीन्स 7 विल गो ट्वाइस. 7 2 की जोड़ी में अंदर जाएगा, बिकॉज 2 की जोड़ी से वो बाहर आया था. सो नाउ 7 7s are 49 एंड 49 into 2 is 98. तो इट बिकेम 98. और यहाँ पे अभी 5 स्क्वायर रूट 3. सो इसमें 3 and 5 will come twice. So 5 5s is 25 and 25 3s is 75. So आपको एक 98 मिला और एक 75 मिला. So which one is the greater? दोनों में से 98. So you will write that root 98 is greater than root 75. Correct. So what we will do, original वाला लिखेंगे. 98 is 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Okay. Now let's do second sums. 247 and square root 274. So here both the numbers are in root. दोनों रूट के अंदर ही है, राइट. यहाँ कुछ सोल्यूशन नहीं करना है. सो यहाँ पे देखो 247 एंड दिस इज 274. obviously this one is the greater, so simply you will write 274 is greater than 247. So therefore ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन लेंगे, ये 247 ये स्मॉलर है तो इसकी तरफ बैक, जो छोटा है उसकी तरफ बैक साइड होता है, जो बड़ा है उसकी तरफ माउथ ओपन होता है. ओके. थर्ड वन 2 square root 7 and square root 28. So square root 28 we don't have to do anything, बस इसको करना पड़ेगा. So ये 2 it will go inside twice because ये square root है. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are 28. So that means we got both the equal. So square root 28 is equal to square root 28. So therefore original 2 root 7 is equal to 28. Okay. Now sixth one. So here 5 square root 5 will be equals to 5 into a, it will go twice, and then 7 square root 2, so it will be equals to 2 into 7 into 7. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and here 7 7s are 49, 49 2s are 98. So obviously 125 is greater, so we will show that square root 125 is greater than square root 98. So originally therefore 125 is 5 root 5 greater than 98 7. Okay. Question number 5. 4 square root 42. So 42 into 4 4s are 16. So 42 into 16 square root 672, and here 9 square root 2. So 2 into 9 9s are 81. 81 2s are 162. So obviously this one is the greater. So we have to show square root 672 is greater than square root 162. So original number 442 is greater than this. Okay. Now next one, 5 square root 3 and 9. So solution 5 square root 3. So 3 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75, and here 9. 9 को रूट के अंदर दिया ही नहीं है, बट वी हैव टू पुट, ये स्क्वायर रूट है तो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर वी विल पुट. सो 9 9s are 81. So now which one is the greater? 81 obviously. So we will show that 75 is less than root 81. So therefore 5 root 3 is less than 9. Okay. Seventh one, see 7 and root 2, so 7 when it will go inside, so 7 7s are 49, and here 5 is already there. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So obviously 49 is greater. So square root 49 is greater than square root 20. So therefore original 7 is greater than 2 root 5. Okay. Sixth sub question, simplify. So simplify means we have to do solution, plus minus division whatever. So here पहले तो आपको देखना है ये जो रूट वाला है दे आर लाइक और नॉट. सेम है क्या नहीं, देन ओनली वी कैन डू एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो हियर वी कैन सी 5 स्क्वायर रूट 3 प्लस 8 स्क्वायर रूट 3. सो देयरफॉर 5 और 8 को एक ही ब्रैकेट में लेंगे और ये बिकॉज इट इज सेम इट विल बी आउटसाइड मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 5 प्लस 8 is 13. So this is the answer. Isn't it simple? Now second sum, second one is 9 square root 5 minus 4 square root 5 plus square root 125. So solution, first of all this is same, so we will write as it is. ये दोनों सेम है तो इसको as it is लिखेंगे. And this 125 is 5 5 2 the 10 5 5 the 5 5 the 5 the 5 स्क्वायर रूट है तो दो में से एक निकला. सो ये जो स्टक हो गया वो बाहर, दो में से एक जोड़ी बाहर एंड ये स्टक हो गया वो रूट के अंदर. सो नाउ यू कैन सी 9 माइनस 4 प्लस दिस 5 होल ब्रैकेट, ये जो स्क्वायर रूट 5 है वो सबके पास है. सो ये माइनस को हाइड करके 9 प्लस 5 करेंगे. सो 9 प्लस 5 इज 14 माइनस 4. ओके एंड देन 10 रूट 5. दिस इज द आंसर. ओके, थर्ड वन 7 रूट 48. So here we have to solve first each and every, and this is 27. So this is root 2, ये तो वो smallest है. So पहले इन दोनों को solve करते हैं. तो 7 root 48. So in rough column 48, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 3 1s are. So these are the pair of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So ये 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So that means दो 4 की जोड़ी आई. So 4 root 3 and here 7 is already there. So 4 7s are 28. So therefore ये बन गया 28 root 3. And this one 27 का we know that 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So 1 will be out and 1 will be inside. So 27 का बन गया 3 root 27 and this one is already there. So now ये 28 minus this 3 and here there is no number means minus 1. And then root 3 is common. So अब पहले 28 minus 3 is 25 and then 25 minus 1 is 24 root 3. This is the answer. Now fourth one, as you can see root 7 root 7 root 7 all three are equal. So therefore directly we will take 1 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 into root 7. So here we have to equalize this denominator to add. So क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसमें. सो मीन्स रफ कॉलम में करते हैं, यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में 1 है तो 5, तो ये बन गया 5 upon 5 और इसका भी करेंगे. सो इट बिकेम 10 upon 5. सो सबके नीचे 5 हो गया. सो डैट मीन्स 5 plus 3 5 minus 3 then plus 10 the whole bracket 5 and square root 7. So therefore 5 minus 3 2, 2 plus 10 upon 5 root 2 7. So 2 plus 10 12, 12 upon 5 root 7. 7th subheading, multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. So here 3 square root 12. So 3 will be as it is, and square root 12, we know that 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 3 1s are. So 2 into 2 into 3. So out of these 2 we will take out 1 and 3 will be inside. So 3 2s are 6, 6 root 3, and then this 18. So square root 18 को जब हम करते हैं, so 18, 2 9s are 2, sorry, 3 3s are 3 1s. So 2 into 3 into 3. So out of this 2, 3 into root 2. So therefore, sorry, we have now 6 into 3, 6 into 3 and root 3 into root 2. So 6 3s are 18, और क्योंकि ये सेम रूट में है, so like 3 2s are 6. So this is the answer. Okay. So now second one, see 3 root 12. So 12, 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are. So ये 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. So that means ये वाला 3 and then ये 2 and then this 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 root 3, and now 7th root 15. So 15 को जब हम करते हैं, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So there is nothing, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है जो open होगा. So it will be 7 root 15 only. So therefore when we multiply 6 root 3 into 7 root 15, so answer will be 6 into 7, ये जो बाहर के टर्म है वो, and then क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर रूट के 15 into 3, so 6 7s are 42 and 15 3s are 45. So therefore 42 root 45. This is the answer. See, this is not a final answer, because this 45, when you factorize 45, you will get 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. यानी इसका सॉल्यूशन निकला 42 रूट 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 5. सो ये स्क्वायर रूट में से ये फ्री हो जाएगा, 2 का जोड़िए, सो इट विल बिकम 42 इंटू 3 and root 5. So 42 3s are 126 root 5. This is the answer. Now 3 root 8 into root 5. Solution. So yeah, see the 8 we can do 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, यानी 1 will become free. So 3 root 8 will be 3 into, ये जो 2 free हो जाएगा और ये 2 stuck हो जाएगा, तो 3 2 जा 6, 6 root 2, और 5 को तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So therefore ये 6 root 2 into a root 5. So 6 root 2 into 5, so 6 root 10. Okay. Now 5 root 8 and 2 root 8. So here see अभी देखो ये रूट एट ऑलरेडी सेम है, सो सिंपली वी विल डू 5 into 2 and root 8 into root 8. So 5 2s are 10 and because they are same it will also become 8 क्योंकि ये a के स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर हो जाएगा. So 8 10s are 80. So therefore answer is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8 equals to 80. Okay, eighth one, divide and write the answer in simplest form. So square root 98 divided by square root 2. So here in same, क्योंकि दोनों का order same है, so it will be like 98 upon 2. So 98 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18. So यहाँ पे आया 49, नीचे का 2 कैंसिल हो गया, root 49. So 49 is square of 7. Correct? 49 7 का square है. So final answer of 98 divided by 27 is 7. Okay? Because ये दो में से एक बाहर निकला. Now second one, root 125 divided by root 50. So solution, therefore in 1 only 125 upon 50. So 125 upon 15, 5 are 5 zeros are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 upon 2. So here you get 5 upon 2. And this is the answer. Okay. Third one, square root 54 divided by square root 27. So I have written in this form. Here we will see the cancellation. Both are the multiples of 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 8s are 24, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So answer to this is square root 2. So this is the answer. Now 310 upon 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10. So 62, square root 62. This is the answer. Now the ninth question is rationalize the denominator. So denominator में root नहीं होता है, so हमको we have to remove that root, but ऐसे directly we cannot remove. So what we have to do, with same जो भी root है ना, वही root हम denominator और numerator में multiply करेंगे. So it will become 3 root square root 5, and because it become pair of 2, so it becomes like this. So this is the answer. Okay. Second sum, see 1 upon square root 14. So what we will do, this square root 14 we will multiply in numerator and denominator. So it will become square root 14 upon, क्योंकि ये दो हो गए, so it will become 14, and this is the answer. Okay. Now here 5 upon square root 7. So we will multiply square root 7 on numerator and denominator. So here क्या हो जाता है, सिंपली सिर्फ ऊपर वो आ जाता है, नीचे से रूट हट जाता है. दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ सिक्स वन, सी 6 upon 9 square root 3. So what we will do, सिर्फ ये root 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, सो root 3. So it becomes 6 upon 9, यहाँ पे root 3 and here into 3. ये जो root 3 into root 3 into 3 बन गया. Now we will see whether anything could be cancelled. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Further there is no more cancellation. So answer is 2 square root 3 upon 9. This is the answer. Yes, root 3. So 11 root 3 upon 3. This is the answer. Okay, here we come to end of our practice set.